A 12-inch diameter pizza and a 16-inch diameter pizza are each cut into 8 congruent slices. Jane ate 3 slices of 12-inch pizza. Mark ate 3 slices of the 16-inch pizza. How many more square inches of pizza did Mark eat than Jane? Express your answer as a common fraction. Now, first we see where the problem took forever for me to read it. We gotta draw a diagram. So first we start with Jane. He has the little itty bitty 12-inch pizza, the 12 in diameter pizza, you could say. And that pizza is cut into 8 congruent slices. And since we know that the diameter is 12, then we know that the radius is 6. That means this little bit over here, it's 6. That's the radius. And Mark, on the other hand, has the big 16 in diameter pizza. Okay, like that. He has a diameter of 16, meaning that the circle is larger, so makes sense. And of course, since the diameter is 16, now we know that the radius has to be 8. Now you have to just express how much each person ate. Jane ate 3 slices of the 12-inch pizza. And Jane ate 3 slices of the 16-inch pizza. Just like that. Now, if we were to just take the area of this, subtract off this area, then we'll get what we want. So first we'll look at this large area. Now this large area, since the whole circle has the radius 8, that means the area is just the radius squared times pi. That's the area of the whole circle, and we'll divide by 8 to account for the fact that there are 8 equal slices, and we'll eat 3 of these slices. Mark, that is. Each person ate 3 of the slices. That means we just have this equation right here, or say that expression right here. Take out the factor of 8, we have 8 pi times 3. Of course, we can simplify that. 3 times 8 is 24 times pi, 24 pi. Box that in so we don't forget about it. And I'll look at Jane a little bit. Since if we were to find this shaded area up here, we can just take that. We can just take 24 pi, subtract off that little shaded area right there, and then boom, we got an answer. Now again, we can use the fact that we know the radius to see that the whole area is 36 pi. We're basically doing the same thing. And now we divide by 8 to account for the fact that there's 8 equal slices. That's the area of one of these little regions. And well, Jane ate 3 of these things, so he just had 36 pi divided by 8 times 3. Again, we can simplify this a little bit, take out a factor of 4. We get 9 halves pi times 3. Again, we can simplify that. 3 times 9 half is 27 halves pi. Now I'm going to write this 27 halves as a mixed number because we know that we're going to take that, subtract off that, and mixed numbers are much easier to subtract off. And 2 goes into 27 13 times. And we have a remainder of 1 half. 1 half, and we have the pi, of course. The pi, we're going to have to box that in again so that we don't forget about that. Let's see, 24, you just need to subtract off. Might as well do a little bit of erasing. 24 pi minus 13 and a half pi. These are just the boxed areas. Again, important to know the important information, and we can factor out the pi. First, we have 24 minus 13 and a half pi. A little weird, but it does work. And that's where the mixed number comes in. 24 minus 13 is 11, and we still have that extra 1/2 to subtract. That will give us 10 and a half, 1/2. Pi. Now it says express your answer as a common fraction. Gotta change that to a fraction. Well, 10 and a half, to write that as a fraction, just multiply the denominator times the whole number part, and then add on 1. And then add it to the numerator. 21 halves. Pi, now I'm going to put the pi with the 21, because again, common fraction, and there's a itty bitty answer right there.